Hey, drag hold this rope very, very well now. Come, let me warn you. You hear me? Let me warn you. Don't go and do rubbish there.
Okay.
Don't go and do rubbish there. If you get there, you market what you want to market. We sell it, collect our money. No time. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Say you promise me.
Yes.
Say you promise me.
I promise you.
You no go fuck up. You sure?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, they go for front. Carry the rope. Carry the rope. There they go.
Hold the.
Oh yeah. Ilari. Last chance, Wale. Ilari.
Promo, Ilari.
Promo Ileya. Let's go. Ilari. Wale 25 go want you. It's not too much. Ileya promo 25 go want you. Ilari. It's not too much. Wale. Ilari. Last chance. Sholani. Ilani.
I know, Cynthia. Cynthia, where are you? You are in my house. Cynthia, you didn't see her now. Cynthia, you know, tell me, say you they come now. Now I am on my way to Ilorin. I am inside private jet. How about Cynthia? Now you know what you're gonna do. You will go to Mama Aminu. Tell her to give you the key. Say I am the one. Enter. Do whatever you want. Don't worry. When I am coming back, I will come with ram. Wait. You want the meat? Okay. Now what part of the ram do you want? You want the head? Or you want the, the liver? You want the? Oh, don't worry. I will bring you the leg. I will give you intestine. Now say you love me. You know I love you too. Mwah. Cynthia. Mwah.
Ilani. Last chance. Ilari. Promo lawa, promo. Ileya promo. Egbon. Come and hold it.
Tire.
Hold this place now. Hold this place.
Yeah, tire.
70 years old man.
Yeah.
So the way we plan it, anybody that wants to enter that bus, you go and meet them that they should come and buy SALLAH. No forget to.
Okay, but if you can't say this one, who will show that one was said?
Shut up. What's your problem now? What's your problem now?
Ilari.
Alaja, calm down now.
How much?
That's 25.
25. It's cheap, oh.
Yes,
Sister.
Yes.
You fellow.
Thank you, my boy. Thank you.
You don't travel.
Yeah, I'm traveling. I'm going for Ileya.
Okay. You don't buy your lamb.
I don't need it now. My husband don't buy them, so.
Madam, we'll get one make sheep.
Are you sure?
Sheep? It's cheap away.
Are you serious?
Yes, no, it's sheep.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's not far from here?
Not far now.
Let's go.
It's sheep.
Where?
No, that place.
Yeah, let's go.
It's sheep.
No be juju be that.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
You said you want to sell ram.
Yes, very, very good one.
How much is it?
50,000.
But you told me it's cheap now.
Yes, it's cheap, but
20,000 now.
Oh, auntie, but very low 20,000.
20,000.
Just pay 35.
25 last.
Since that's what you want to pay.
Do you accept transfer? I don't have cash.
Yes, don't worry.
Because I don't plan to buy it.
It's going to be here when you are ready to load. We just bring your ram.
Okay.
21 02
03.
Yes,
okay.
69
6957 05. Cents.
You are receiving, ma.
What you do, bagang?
Alright,
So
thank you,
when you people are loading, we come and give you, ma.
Alright, make sure you're prepared.
Definitely.
Alright, so thank you.
Oh yeah, now. Congrats, more wins.
I feel good.
Promo.
Well done.
Small now. Kada. How much is the car?
2,500, no 5.
2,500.
Yeah, 2,500.
Eh, need dwell yo. I don't want to hear you want to stop over for yo. See, we are going to my mommy. Lord Alaja. See, when we reach there, since when you don't go to Mecca, he said, "Being wife, come home. Being wife, come home." So she's dragging me. So now I want to take you to the home. Do good though. Do good of a wife. Oh. If you reach there, any small thing by be Kunle. Any small thing by be Kunle. In my hometown, they like people say they Kunle. Oh. Be a good girl.
Okay.
This man.
Kini say, what is wrong with you? The thing I want to go and do village, we don't discuss it on top of here. You this small boy, if you be going all of the parking, lap me for leg. You want me to lap you for leg?
I want to tell you something.
Which something? Leave me, Jare. I will follow. I cannot leave my property to follow an unknown person.
I'll tell you something.
I cannot leave my property.
Come now.
I will not leave my Wait, go sit down for there. Sit down for there.
See.
Wait. Please, so don't be careful of my wife.
We dey travel.
Now we dey travel. We are going to our Iliodun.
Okay, we don't buy
Ram. I town hard and I no buy ram.
We get one make sheep.
The
sheep,
wait. Conductor, you can you help me to carry a cow?
I don't want to carry anything carryable.
Go there. Daku go Daku back in law. I can carry ram. Where the ram?
Those are sheep.
Let's go. Driver, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, now be this.
The ram.
Where do?
Yes, sir.
How much?
50,000.
50,000.
Oh, Lord, another Lord and you. Na very good ram, I swear.
50,000.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Sade. Hey, so you talk about sorry, Ibu. But send abaya mi o. Emi say ma abaya o to your come yunusa. O ti ní pé ọdún yẹn labo gan. Ó ní ọdún yẹn legba. Say yonu. Ọjà mo palaja lọ́kọ ní ìyá ọkọ mi. Ọmọ, tó má sorry Ibu o. But send dire o.
If it is easy for that 50,000, I will go to the north to go and order it. This boy say it's cheap. Is it cheap?
Now that's why I say 50,000, sir.
It's small. Can you agree? 15,000.
50,000 for this type of ram. Say, come now. Pay 35.
15,000 is okay. 15,000.
Pay 30.
15,000 is okay because this ram, if all the ram, it costs for all over the state. For Kwara State where they go, ram no they cost. They don't hold hand. They used to drop hand. If you don't sell it 15,000, let me be going.
And be going. Come.
You don't agree?
Say 20.
Say you want to transfer cash.
20.
You say 50.
You want to
Are
are you the one that dragged me from the motor? You say it's cheap.
Let him pay 15. Just give him. Oh yeah. Do transfer. Do transfer.
Which bank are you using? You go give 14.5.
Do transfer.
This man.
See.
Do transfer.
Which bank?
Before let me give my account number.
It's 12.5. I can pay last. I cannot pay 15,000 naira. 12,500. Will you collect it?
Do transfer.
I'm coming. I want to do video with my ram.
You be mumu.
Come. Hello everybody. As you can see, I have buy my ram. We are going to Iliodun. See my ram.
Somebody no want to pay. Leave here. I see any. No, no buy. Just leave here.
I want to send it to home. They will know I buy ram. Come.
Àti wà lọ́nà long ibon send rẹ o. To.
I'll send your money. I've sent your money. You want to drag my phone? If not because of this small boy that say he's cheap,
I cannot see. Don't help me, I lose it. Go and lose it.
Don't worry. Oh, no, calm down. If you are going, I will lose it. You come and put inside your car.
Wow.
Maybe your car is still here. If you want to sell something for someone, we used to give that person good customer service.
If I don't want to give for you because of this small boy, please
worry.
help me to bring it.
Don't
I
worry.
cannot allow my man.
All right now.
Cow.
Hey.
Not be juju be that.
My wife.
Eh?
What happened? Anybody is dragging you.
He puts me, oh. He puts me, gone. He puts me.
Why are you
Ben,
not dragging
on fan.
all the buses here that the bag are not dragging you.
Come, what's your problem?
Why you carry 25 for that man?
Is it that 12 I think go pay? Do you?
Why you not carry 20?
You 20. You say you are a thief. You are a thief. Calm down. What's your problem? No be for me. I go pay your school fees. No be for me. I go buy food stuff, buy your provision. No be for me. I go buy school bag for you. You don't want to get money. Any amount that we sell, it is a gain for us. What's your problem? So that's why I know when you can't open eye for me.
Yeah, sorry.
Tell me sorry.
Sorry.
This man.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Guy, driver, what is the problem, man? You have been delaying me in this vehicle. In fact, everybody, if the best did not fall, I will pay for everybody, even if it's $879.5 US million. Please, let's go, driver. Then Allah, I am tired.
How do you go best travel? Oh, you shut. I've been waiting for your time.
Because I talked to you. Do you know how much I pay in London?
How much you pay in London?
Is it because I am even managing this small motorcycle? Then Allah, get out.
Come on for you, John.
Allah, come on, my friend. Wow, necessary. Don't take. Mind your business.
If you want to pay for me and my wife.
Send the fire.
Ó farabalẹ̀ fún mi pé àkọ́kọ́ máa mú ọ lọ lé ọ̀dọ̀ yẹn ìyá mi rí farabalẹ̀. Ìjọ ayé yàrá Ìlọrin la ṣé mọ́tò Ìlọrin rí?
Ó ń lọ ni.
Èló ni?
25.
Ìyá méjì ṣé gba 35.
No, 25.
Kọ̀dọ́tọ̀. Farabalẹ̀. Kọ̀dọ́tọ̀. Jọ mo rí nǹkan observation sa. Jọ ṣé obìnrin ló fẹ́ wa mọ́tò ní àbọ̀kùnrin?
Ṣé ẹ tí wo kòtò ayé rí ni?
Miduma.
Mo lè di ohun.
Mọ̀ ìyàwó mi ò jà wọlé.
Ìyàwó rẹ̀.
Mọ̀ ìyàwó mi jà wọlé.
Ẹ wọlé.
Gbẹ́mí dábẹ́sì.
This man.
Sago Mbugo.
Come, I want to see you.
Mẹ́ni Senji.
Hola.
Kó ṣẹlẹ̀.
You don't travel.
Travel. Ìlọrin mò ń lọ Ìlọrin.
Okay. You get
Ram. Ẹran iléyá. Ìrọ̀ ètì sẹ́ran iléyá. Àbádọ́
Okay,
ọ̀la.
we get one me sheep.
Ẹran iléyá kó síbù.
We get one me sheep.
Irọ́ ni o. Ṣé ìnìsín àbí báwo ni ṣe ṣe?
I don't know to speak. Come and sell one for you.
Jẹ́ aláwo.
Not be juju be that.
Yeah.
Kí ni ìgbó lóòótọ́ o? How much tell them?
I say sheep.
Sheep. Ẹjọ́ èló ni kí ni ráàmù?
Àbí? You no tell you. 50,000 ni.
Máa ní 50,000. Dúró ná. Ṣé bó yóò ṣìpù ló ṣe mú wa wá?
30,000.
I don't say 30,000. Oh yeah, 30,000.
Ṣé mo jẹ́ ní 30,000 lójú ẹ̀? Ó ti.
20.
Má fi bú ara bú ìyàwó mi o. Kó bá já máa lọ.
I'm just playing. How you live after you pay 25? Pay 25. Abi should they should pay 25?
Kéèyàn bá dé sábó gan, kó bá dé sábó lè sà. Wá lẹ́sìn.
Oh, yeah, pay 20. Yes, pay 20.
So o dẹ̀ sọ pé ẹran ìsùn kan sí.
20.
Ẹni kú ká tó dé lọ́run.
No, 20.
Pay 20. Ah,
20.
yes.
Sí ẹ mú fóònù rẹ jáde.
You go do transfer.
Transfer ni o.
Na very good one o. Ah.
Ó yá, mú fóònù jáde. Mo bínú ìyàwó mi l'accountant mi, ó kàwé jù mí lọ ni o.
Okay, no, there's no problem.
Okay.
20,000, man. Why you do like this now?
Nǹkan kó mi sọ fún mi náà rè ni bọ̀ èdè rẹ̀ mi ló yé.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan kan kọ́kọ́rọ́ kan bẹ̀yìn ajá jẹ́ o. Torí charges 20,000 nílé jáde inú àkáǹtì mi.
So èló ló wà ní báyìí?
19,900.
19,900. Oh, yeah, no problem.
Kásán 99.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Account number.
Account number. Mo yà account balance mi wo.
Abeg driver mo go na. Which type of problem is na? Ja re ni.
A wọlé bẹ́ẹ̀ ó dé mo ti ṣe ó ti kọ sọsọ.
Okay. Thank you.
Bá mi tú.
Please, in 1 minute. Hold on.
Okay.
You know, say that boss don't full already. As these people, as they don't pay now, let us give them the ram. Let them be going. Just go away. You run away.
You're the fat.
The way we do it last time. So come. We can give them a bit. They are going.
Ṣé bí ọba.
No, no.
Ayé ni ada. Má ṣe bí ọmọ dáadáa. Wá ayé rẹ̀ ada. Mèsè ní sẹ́ńjì ni kí ni mo wá fẹ́ fún ọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Kí mo wá fẹ́ fún ọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ó yá, ẹ gbà sà.
Ó ṣe sọ mí dọba.
Barika de Sallah sà.
Orí ìyá lọ sọ̀rọ̀ ńgbà bá délé. Orí ìyá lọ sọ̀rọ̀ ńgbà bá dé. Ó rẹ̀yìn rẹ̀. Ẹ̀nà ìfà ní ìfà. Jọba ń farabalẹ̀ sí o. Mọ̀dé sẹ́yìn búùtù o. Ṣé mo lè sanwó sí? Lè sanwó sí ìfà ní. Elderly.
You are the one that want to help me to load it inside the car.
Èmi jọ ló dá lójú rẹ̀. Olóbúrà sojú ìgbà mo mi ṣe transfer bẹ́ẹ̀ ni fún yẹn níta ẹran fún mi.
I do transfer. See, Baba, ojú òní tí yín. I have called home. I have called Alaja and called all of my brother that I have buy a cow. Come home. Please leave it for me. Let me to put it on the car.
Dúró náà jẹ́ n bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé o lè sọ Yorùbá lẹ́nu ló wá kàn sọ English ká dára tiẹ̀ tún dáa nu English kò ń sọ. Sórí kí n bá fọwọ́ sí gbá ọ lójú ẹ̀ wàá sun kúkú ni.
Baba,
ó mọ
nípa
jẹ́ ẹ mọ́.
Driver, please, if they have settled it that they have given me my cow, don't let this guy enter because this Baba.
Àbí wèrè ni yé. Ọmọ ya wèrè.
Give me my cow.
Ọmọ ya wèrè lẹ́yìn.
Help me to collect my cow. Help me to collect my cow. Help me to collect my cow.
Ọmọ ya wèrè lẹ́yìn. Ọmọ ya.
This man